What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Imbibe Craft. Today I'm giving you 3 easy mezcal cocktails to make at home, starting right now. Grab your mixing tools. It's time to mix it up. Alright, so for cocktail number 1, we're going to be making the Killer Bee. We're going to start out with 3/4 ounces of honey syrup, 1 full ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 full ounces of Vida de Muertos. We're gonna add ice. Yep. She's a beaut, Clark. Next, we're gonna garnish this just with a nice little orange express. Rub that around the rim. There you have the Killer Bee. Next cocktail, we're gonna be making the Mezcal Buck. What is a buck? If you've ever had a Moscow Mule, you've had a vodka buck. You're welcome. 1/4 ounce of agave syrup. 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1.5 ounces of our favorite mezcal. Alright, now we're going to add our ice. We're going to take just a little bit of our ginger beer, splash it right into the shaker tin, strain this off into our cons glass, and then next we're just going to top the rest of this off here with ginger beer. There you have it, the Mezcal Buck. Super easy to make. It's very delicious, very citrusy, a nice smoky note. It's very good on a hot summer day. Give it a try. For the final cocktail, this is the easiest mezcal cocktail you'll probably ever make. It's one of the most delicious ones you'll ever have. And aged mezcal for this, we're gonna do 1 ounce. 1 ounce of Meletti. And lastly, we're gonna just top it off with a dash of orange bitters. Stir this up, we're gonna strain it on a big cube. You don't have to use a clear ice cube, but it helps. It helps. Dilutes the drink a little slower, and it looks cool. We're just gonna top this off with a little bit of lemon express. Rub that around the rim. Those lemon oils will complement some of the orange and candied orange characters from the Meletti. And there we have the Mezcaletti. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a like. Check out some of my other videos, and we will see you on the next one.